Welcome back to another episode of Tested to Testify, where we big up God for what He's done. Guys, remember, if you have something you want to thank God for, just send it in and we'll thank Him together. Alright, so this person sent in their testimony and it reads: As a mother of 3 and doing her degree at the same time, it's hard financially. I had to sacrifice so much to find my fees every semester. Come September 2023, it got really hard, where my eldest son needed extra classes and that took precedence. I was at an all-time low, considering to stop my studies. Let's rewind to the previous year in 2022. I had applied for a scholarship. However, I didn't get any email or call back to say whether or not I was selected. However, in the year 2022, I applied yet again. So in September, when I was considering to take a leave of absence, a friend told me to call the university and find out if any money was sent over for me, as sometime you wouldn't get a call, it would be sent directly to the school. I did so, and upon querying the status, I found out not only did I get the scholarship this year, but I had gotten it last year. And with that, my fees would be covered in full for the completion of the degree. I said that all to say God settled it. So if you're out there, guys, and you have a situation that you need God to settle for you, just put it before the Master and let Him do what He does best. He specializes in the impossible. Thank you so much for sending this in. And as I said before, if you have something you want to thank God for, just send it into our inbox on any of our social media platforms. That's it for this one. See you in the next one. Bye.